Reading Pioneers is proud to present The Best Yard Sale by Mercer Mayer. Mom said, "We have too much stuff that we don't use. It is time for a yard sale. We can find lots of stuff to sell." We went to the garage. It was full. I said, "Let's look in the basement. There is a lot of stuff down there to sell." Then Dad and I looked in the attic. Something made a spooky noise. I was brave, though, because it was just our kitty. "Hello, kitty," I said. Dad and I found lots of great stuff in the attic to sell. Little sister only had one old doll for the yard sale. "You'll never make any money that way," I said. I cleaned out my whole closet. I found so many things to sell. Mom said, "Just pick a few toys." We made signs so everybody would come to our yard sale. We put them up everywhere, but it was too windy. The day of the sale finally came. Our yard was full of critters. I ran outside. "Wow, Dad!" I said. "Who would want that thing?" "I think Mrs. Rhino wants it," said Dad. I sold a bunch of broken toys for $3. Little sister sold her old doll for $10. We almost sold my favorite bear by accident. I saved him. Everybody stood in line to buy Mom's chocolate chip cookies. My sister and I got to eat them for free. We had the best yard sale. Mom made the most money. Her cookies are great. Thank you, readers, for joining us today with the story, The Best Yard Sale. I really like this story because, especially during the summer, yard sales can be fun to do with the family to not only clean out the house, but also for kids to get a little bit of cash for things that they want to spend their money on. Have you guys ever had a yard sale before? What was it like? Comment down in the section below your experiences with yard sales. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button to help support this channel and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more fun stories uploaded every week. Until the next upload though, here are some books from our library that I think you'll enjoy. Unfortunately though, that is all the time we have for this video. So until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.